This one is also an easy area volume question, a mensuration question. Appeared as a 3-mark question in 2016 CBSE Class 10 board exam. Let's quickly read the question and solve it. A sphere of diameter 12 centimeters. What is given as the diameter? Always watch out for these things because many a times, because the formula known to us is radius, we will quickly read it and assume this to be the radius. What is given as the diameter? A sphere of diameter 12 centimeters is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel, partly filled with water. The sphere is completely submerged in water. The water level in the cylindrical vessel rises by 3 and 5/9 of a centimeter. What we have to find out is the diameter, not the radius of the cylindrical vessel. First things first, this number, let's convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 3 into 9, 27 plus 5, 32 by 9 centimeters is the height to which the water is rising in the cylindrical vessel. Solving this question entails one concept and two formulae. The concept is the volume of the sphere dropped is equal to volume of water displaced in the cylindrical vessel. First thing, let's compute the volume of the sphere. What is the formula for the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. What is given to us is the diameter, which is equal to 12 centimeters. If diameter of the sphere is 12, its radius is 6 centimeters. So its volume is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into, I'll write the 6 cube as a 6 into 6 into 6. So we'll call this expression as equation 1. This is the volume of the sphere. Part 2, let's compute the volume of water displaced in the cylindrical vessel. Volume of water displaced, the water is going to be displaced in the shape of the vessel that contains it. This is a cylindrical vessel, so the volume of water displaced is also going to be the volume of the cylinder. What we're going to do is we're going to assign a couple of variables. One, the r is the radius of the cylindrical vessel that holds it, which is what we're actually trying to compute. H is the height to which the water has risen. Do we have that information? That we have, which is 3 and 5 by 9, which we rewrote it as a 32 by 9. So the height to which the water is rising is 32 by 9 centimeters. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h, which is equal to pi into r squared, which is what we are trying to compute, into the height, which is 32 by 9. Expression 1 gave us the volume of the sphere. Expression 2 is giving us the volume to which water has risen in the cylindrical vessel. Let's equate expressions 1 and 2. 1 gives us the volume of the sphere that's dropped into the vessel. 2 gives us the volume of water that's got displaced. 4 by 3 pi into 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to pi into r square into 32 by 9. I want to emphasize that the way you do this calculation could make this question something which is easy or could make it a complicated one. Look at how we are going to go about it. We'll cancel pi on both sides. Pi gets cancelled with pi. Do not compute the 6 cube as a 216 because calculation becomes muddied by that act. What we're going to do is we'll keep this r squared on one side and rest of the expressions on the other side. 4 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 6. Cross multiply this 9 and 32. We'll take the 9 to the numerator and 32 to the denominator. 4 cancels with the 32 to leave us with an 8. 8 is nothing but a 2 into 2 into 2. Each one of these 2's will cancel with a 6 in the numerator to leave us with a 3, 3 and a 3. 3 in the denominator will get cancelled with 1, 3 here. So we have r square is equal to 3 into 3, 9 into 9, which is equal to 81, or r is equal to 9. If r is equal to 9, what we have to actually compute is the diameter. The diameter is equal to 2 times 9, which is 18 centimeters. We're going to run through this calculation in a printed form slowly because how we do the calculation is finally what makes this question easy. We're going to cross multiply the 9 and 32 after cancelling pi on both sides. So what we have is r square is equal to 4 by 3 into a 6 cube into 9 by 32. 4 gets cancelled with a 32 to leave us with an 8. We'll write this 8 as a 2 into 2 into 2. 2 gets cancelled with a 6 to leave us with a 3. The same is going to happen for these two 2's also. So 3 and a 3. 3 gets cancelled with one of the 3's. So r square is equal to 81 or r is equal to 9. What we need to find out is the diameter, which is 18 centimeters. So the crux of this question is how you do this calculation more than anything else.